Hey, welcome back to Steve's Tesla. If you've been driving an electric vehicle for some time, you will have by now experienced the joy of charging your vehicle at a public high-speed charging station. And you'll also have realised that every one of these different charging networks has a different app and a different payment processing system and a different sequence of events to enable you to charge your vehicle. It's a bit of a dog's breakfast. In March of 2024, I updated an earlier video that I had made comparing all of the publicly available EV chargers in my region. I rated them all for ease of use. You might like to take a look at it. It really shouldn't be too hard. Tesla have shown us that you can literally just have a plug-and charge facility such as a Tesla supercharger. No apps involved. And also, when I'm paying for parking in a public car park, I can simply scan my watch or my phone and pay for my parking that way. Why can't EV chargers be like that? So I was thrilled to read this article I saw from The Verge just recently saying that a universal plug-and-charge protocol for electric vehicle charging is coming in 2025. The Verge article stated that the fragmented and frustrating nature of our current EV charging landscape has been widely cited as one of the most significant barriers to EV adoption. Why buy a plug-in car when every time you plug it in, you have to sign up for another EV charging app, fumble through your payment information, authorize the account, and then hope that it results in a successful charging experience? What if you could instead plug in and everything just worked automatically, like a Tesla supercharger? You just go anywhere you want, boom, you plug it in, it accounts for everything in the cloud, it charges your card, and you walk away. Plug and Charge aims to deliver a truly seamless and hassle-free charging experience in which every electric vehicle can plug into any public charger without any additional steps required from the vehicle owner. This was the intention of the official international standard ISO 15118, also called Plug and Charge, that enables automatic charging and payment as soon as the car is plugged in. In vehicles with plug and charge, the charger communicates securely with the vehicle and bills the owner without the need for app sign-ups or additional billing information. Tesla helped originate the plug and charge experience by making its superchargers interoperable in its passenger vehicles from the very beginning. You might want to watch my earlier video about charging a non-Tesla at a Tesla supercharger. To adopt plug and charge, other automakers need to make individual deals with third-party charging companies to ensure their vehicles can communicate seamlessly with the charging company's equipment. If the EV car manufacturers and the electric vehicle charging manufacturers can reach agreement on this, there will be benefits for everybody. And beyond seamless charging for EV owners, such as secure vehicle-to-grid communications and bidirectional charging that will enable electric vehicles to send energy back to the grid to help balance out power loads. This will help create a more resilient grid and should also head off criticism that the current energy system can't tolerate an all-electric vehicle fleet. Now, this article was written for the American market. However, the big charging infrastructure organisations are all collaborating to come up with a number of industry standards. So eventually I'm hoping this will make its way here to Australia. Hey, thanks for watching and please subscribe. G'day and welcome to Steve's Tesla. This is my channel dedicated to electric vehicles and renewable energy. Subscribe now and let's drive.